Welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to create an interactive PDF flipbook ebook. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Before we create our flipbook, let us firstly create a PDF. So in order to create a PDF, we need this Canva tool. So I'll be mentioning this link in this description of this video. So we can just go here, click on the create a design and go for a A4 document. So once you go for this A4 document, here we have many options for us. Let's say that we need something for a cover page, like cover page of a book, let's say, so something like cover page. And we find many of them like over here, so I just wanted this to be like this notebook. And let me create one more thing, and here I want to give the contents of the page. So I ask for the table of contents, and I find many contents over here again. Let's say that I'll just choose one among them which suits mine, or let me just go for this today's list for my notebook, or else something like content, table of contents can be, this is pro version, so table of contents can also be something like weekly meetings and all. So there are different things that you can just go choose all. So you can add your own kind of table of contents. So I'll be just adding this today list because I'm making a PDF of notebook. So once we create this, like we can add more pages to this, and we can add more of this such templates like this one, something like some project reports. So these are all not related. I'm just adding them randomly. So let me also go and add one more page to this. Okay, so let me add this one. So in this way I have this kind of PDF which is of 4 pages. Let us just, if we want to download this, we can just go click on this download, and we can download it as a PDF standard. You can click on the download and it gets downloaded. So let me just do that. So in this way we can download the PDF. So now we will see how can we create this PDF and how can we convert this into a flipbook. For this particular thing we need to use this platform called as Issuu. So here this will be helping us to find the digital publishing plans that is right for you. We can go for the basic one as of now. Click on get started, and let me just sign up with my Issuu account. After we sign up, we just have this quick things that will be helping this platform to understand why are we using this particular platform. So we can just say that I want to sell some digital content, this kind of flip books and all. Click on finish, and let me just skip this step. And after I'm done, let me just close this. And now I'll go to my Canva, click on the share, and here we have this more option. Go for the more, and now search for the Issuu. So here we have the Issuu. So now we need to link this Issuu account to our Canva. Let us quickly do that. Click on use. We can do this, or else we can go to Issuu, and we can just go to this Canva, click on connect, and here we can just see this option to connect with the use within the existing design or use in the new design. You can choose any of it. If you choose it to be in the existing design, it asks you that which design you want to choose, or else you can just create a new design with this Issuu. And there is one more thing which is quite handy, which you can use it without connecting to your Canva, like from any PDF. So this PDF I have created through Canva. So if you want to use any PDF, we can click, just need to upload the file, and after we upload the file, the PDF file that I have downloaded from Canva, now you can see this. I can just click on this and I can just move this pages. Flip this becomes our flip book. So once we are done with this, we can just go and download this one. Click on the download. We can download this one from this Issuu, and we can publish it. So in this way you can just convert your PDF to the flipbook. To view this flipbook in the full screen mode, we can just go and click on this full screen option, and then we can just see how this flipbook works. Let me come back, and once you are all done, you can click on this publish now option. You can give any title to this and you can publish it. Now we need to add a title as of now for this one. So let us do that. Let me give it to be the first flipbook. And now after we give this title, click on this publish now. Click on accept and publish. So once we are confirmed it and published it, we can get this copy link. uh, Click on this copy link button, and once you are getting this link, you can just share it to anyone to whom you want to, share this flipbook. You can just share this link so that they can view it. So click on the view live. So by using this particular link, if you just share it to your friend or any person whom you want to get access to this flipbook, they can their view will be something like this. They can just flip this book and they can zoom in or zoom out to this book. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.